This will be the first and only time I come to this location. Trying something a little different with today's video. I'm going to be mixing this in. It's a Steadicam. It doesn't have as many features, like you can't flip a button and get it to do selfie. You can only make it go up and down. So I'm going to try it out today and just see how it goes. Gina and I usually do almost everything together, so the fact that she's going to a birthday party with Skylar today, and I'm going off to the tattoo convention and to go do this drone meetup, and we're doing our own thing, and it's going to be all day. It feels a little weird. I'm headed to this drone meetup. It's on the south side of town, so it's going to take me about an hour to get there. It's going to be a very long day. So I'm testing out this camera. It should be a hell of a lot smoother than all the other stuff that I've been using. Hopefully the audio is okay. It's got just this itty-bitty built-in mic. Believe it or not, this is the camera from my drone. It's detachable, and you can use it on a steady grip. So I'm using a gimbal right now to film this, compared to if I wasn't using a gimbal, it would be shaky. And let me see if I can do this at the same time. Gimbal versus no gimbal. We've got the Seago 2 on a gimbal versus a flip camera. One should be steady as can be, and the other should be shaking all over the place as I'm driving on the Sam Houston Tollway. No one in front of me, no one behind me, both hands on the wheel, which makes us even shakier, or should be shakier. Alright, that's about enough of that. I'm gonna turn these off. My thoughts on this meetup location so far is it's over an hour away from me, and it looks like it's in the middle of nowhere, and it's all toll roads to get here. This will be the first and only time I come to this location. There is nothing here. For a video drone, this is pretty useless. Typhoon H, guys. I'm on the way to the beach, Galveston, Texas. There's a tattoo convention there. See my tattoo artist buddies. I was going to get a booth there, but I completely spaced. I was supposed to be moving this weekend, and we're moving next weekend instead. You know, this vlog, this is my 10th one. And that's a cool Jeep. That is a nice ride. That's a nice ride. That's a nice Jeep, dude. Very nice. So this is vlog number 10. This is the 10th time that I've tried documenting day-to-day stuff that I'm doing in my life, my family's life. And I've realized I really enjoy this editing. It reminds me of all these videos I did when I was a kid, like in 9th grade. Did this these two videos. I will post them both little clips of them here and links to them. I'll put them up on YouTube just for and giggles. One was this animated Gumby that I made with a friend of mine years ago in 9th grade, where Gumby drops acid and then hallucinates and ends up killing himself because he can't understand all the crazy stuff happening to him. So it's sort of our version against drugs. And then we tried to do a video of the Broken Bones Brigade, which was our video, sort of like the Bones Brigade was a big thing then, when Tony Hawk was a kid and Lance Mountain, and they were like our little idols. So we did the Broken Bones Brigade, and the video is horrible, absolutely horrible. So I don't know if I'm gonna put it up, but I might put it up. It's pretty horrible though. So with this being my 10th vlog, there's a lot of stuff that I've sort of learned. I am going to try to make 100 total vlogs within a year. A year of this Halloween. I hopefully will have 100 of these so that I can look back at my family's life, our journey, where we've been, where we've moved. Anyways, this is really, I think this, whether people watch these or not, they're going to be a really cool way for me to see how far I've come with my editing skills, as well as where my family's come. I wish I would have started this when my son Zane was younger, so I could have seen him in more of these. It is what it is. Off to Galveston.
Audio Jungle.
I am so hungry. I'm waiting to go pick up my buddy Darren, and we're gonna go eat. Tell you're getting close to the beach when all the houses are all of a sudden on stilts. There's no waves, there's nothing to surf down here today, which is pretty normal for Galveston. I used to drive down here in high school and surf all the time. Mostly Surfside though. Surfside was a little bit better.
Audio Jungle.
His girlfriend, she didn't know who the Ramones were.
She didn't know who they were. She still don't.
She knows their songs.
Which one?
Yeah, what song do you know?
That song.
Your face is running into stuff.
But that's karma for not knowing who the Ramones are.
I was gonna go inside the convention, but decided I was sort of running out of time after having a nice late lunch with Darren and Jessica. Great people. You should go check out his shop. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description below. Make sure you go check him out. Give him a like on Facebook. It's been a long day and I've been driving all over the place and I'm about done. What the hell was that noise? Something just hit the top of my car as I'm stopped here. Is that bird shit? Take this road 45 miles before I even get close to my exit. I'm at the corner of Westheimer and Montrose. When I was younger, this was the place to hang out. I mean, this is where all the Mohawks and the freaks and just the group of misfits. Numbers is just a block or so away from here. Man, I went there a lot of times. Yeah, that's the guy. I'm sure you've seen him around. I forget his name. If he knew I was filming him, I'm sure he would come closer because he likes the attention. I'm about to stop at Studewood Park and check that out. It's been a while. I used to live. That's my old house right there. I built that garage. Okay, I'm gonna fly this around here. I have no idea if they'll let me or not, but there's a great shot of downtown Houston here. That worked out great. I had a nice couple come by and ask me all kinds of questions about the drone. I love it when people come by and they're actually interested and I can show them what the drone sees and that it's not peeping in your backyard.